Radiant Ride brings convenience and value to the customer by making it actually convenient when you bring your car in for service. You can have minor dents, dings, windshield chips repaired at the same time as your oil change or maintenance service by dropping off the vehicle. Customers really appreciate the fact that they're able to have a one-stop shop, come in, get the car serviced, and any type of minor imperfections taken care of at the same time.
They want to keep their cars, looking new, and Radiant Ride is, there to help them with all their needs.
Customers love to come back for the retention and also to come back and see our beautiful dealership that we have here. Customer satisfaction has definitely been a goal that we try to maintain, and keeping the vehicles pristine as well. As part of the Radiant Ride program, customers appreciate the trade-in value and the resale value that they receive. We've got a strong staff here. Everybody is very customer orientated and try to do our best to take care of the customer and keep everybody satisfied.